Hi everyone, here I'm going to discuss another 10 important MCQs of research aptitude. Okay, so this video will be beneficial for all the users, net aspirant, SET and SLAT aspirant, and in the PhD and MPhil entrance test. Okay, so this is about me, myself Suraj, and I have done MCOM at Guwahati University, and I have cleared NET examination 2 times. So let's start. Match list A with the list B. So see, historical method. So historical method always relate with the past event. So we can match with the past event. And survey method means field study. So field study always, or survey method always relate with the present event. So survey method we can match with the present event. And philosophical method we can match with the vision. And experimental method is we can match with the future action. So the next question is, which of the following is classified in the category of development research? Okay, here option is given. Philosophical research. Which of the following is classified in the category of developmental research? Okay, so action research is a research which initiate to solve the immediate problem. So it is not the category of it doesn't come under the category of development research. Action research solve the immediate problem. Here descriptive research, and descriptive research describe the characteristics of the population. So it is also not the category of development research. So our correct answer will be the philosophical research. Okay, so option A will be the correct answer. So the next question is, in psychology and education, experimental research is also termed as. In psychology and education, experimental research is also termed as. See, first question is SR, stimulus and response. Yes, stimulus and response. Second option B is analytical research. Option C is historical research, and option D is post facto research. See, experimental research is a scientific approaches to research where one or more independent variables are manipulated and applied to one or more dependent variables to measure their effects on the latter. So see, experimental research brings out the definite cause and effect relationships. So there are two variables. So one is dependent variables and another is independent variables. And independent variable can be manipulated, and dependent variable is depend on the independent variables. So suppose, for example, suppose smoking causes the lung cancer. So smoking is the independent variables and lung cancer is the dependent variable. So we can manipulate the independent variables. Okay, and lung cancer is depends on smoking. So uh, so our correct answer will be stimulus and response. Okay, response research. So option A will be the correct answer. See, next question is, which of the following is not the method of research? Here option is given: observation method, historical method, survey, and philosophical method. See, the various research method are experiments, survey, questionnaires, interviews, case studies, participant and non-participant observation, observational trials. Since the and last one is the studies using the Delphi method. Since the observation method is the less effective in the research, so our correct answer will be observation. Okay, so the next question is, fundamental research is usually carried out. Here option is given: classroom, field setting, laboratory conditions, and social setting. So fundamental research, or you can say basic or pure research. Okay, so basic research, also called pure research or fundamental research, has the scientific research aim to improve the scientific theories for improved understanding or prediction of natural or other phenomena. So our correct answer will be laboratory conditions, scientific research. Okay, so our correct answer will be option number C, laboratory conditions. So see, the next question is, the research that applies the law at the time of field study to draw more and more clear ideas about the problem. The research that applies the law at the time of the field study to draw more and more clear ideas about the problem is, here option is given: C, applied research, action research, experimental research, and none of the above. So see, applied research is designed to answer the specific question, aim to solving a practical problems, and action research initiated to solve the immediate problems. Okay, and experimental research is the cause and effect finding research. It brings up the cause and effect relationship. There, suppose there are two variables like independent variables and dependent variables, and independent variable can be manipulated, and dependent variable is depend on independent variable. So our question is, the research that applies the law at the time of field study to draw more and more clear ideas about the problem is, correct answer will be applied research. Okay, see the next question is the research which is exploring new facts through the study of the past is called the research which is exploring new facts through the study of the past. So where we have studied past in historical research, we will study about the past event. Okay, so here option is given philosophical, historical, and mythological, and content analysis. So our correct answer will be historical research. So in historical research, we study about the past event. So our correct answer will be option number B. See the next question is the scientific method can be used. See, only in physical science such as physics and chemistry, only in social science. So scientific method can be used both in the physical science and the social science. So our correct answer will be both A and B. So option C will be the correct answer. So the next question is action research is option is given an applied research, a research carried out to solve the immediate problem. So option research is a research which initiated to solve the immediate problem. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. Another option is the longitudinal research and simulative research. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. So the last question is in the method of naturalistic observation, there will be here option is given haphazard behavior as it naturally occurs. Option B is setting up of control experiments by which they uncover causal elements behavior set out to actively observe subjects in their natural environment. So in the method of naturalistic observations, there will be set out to actively observe subject in their natural environments. Okay, so option C will be the correct answer. Thank you.